I used to mop my floors with a bucket and mop, and now I use my Tineco, which I absolutely love. When we first got this, we used to fight over who got to use it to mop the floors, but it gets disgusting. So this is absolutely gross. But I needed to clean the inside of the Tineco, so I'm just going to take you guys along with me. First, I'm using my laundry sink because this is just nasty, all the hair and junk that's in here. So we're going to take this totally apart, clean up all of the stuff that's in here, and then I'm going to go in with, normally I would use a bleach spray, but I can't find it, so we're going to use this disinfecting spray. Use hot water, and then I'm going to use paper towels to just wipe everything down, get all of the junk out. And there actually is some sand stuck in here, so we're going to go ahead and get that stuff out. This just has like a lot of crumbs and stuff, looking so much better when we're done. But I'm going to go ahead and wipe everything down one more time with a paper towel with bleach on it, just to kind of clean it up. And then put everything back together. When you do this too, it helps it so that it doesn't smell gross, because it can start to smell kind of like mildewy, and this really helps it. You're actually supposed to do this every time you use the Tineco. I don't have time for that. So you know what? We're here today. We're doing what we can do. We're going to put this back together. And then I probably also should get a new filter for this, because I don't think I ever have replaced the filter, but we're just going to roll with it for now. Putting this back together, I actually need to finish mopping the floors, but I just couldn't deal with the way it was smelling, so I had to clean it. Again, usually I use like a bleach cleaner in here, just wipe everything down, make it nice and dry, especially all those sensors. And I do need to replace this filter, but I don't have another one, so we're just gonna roll with it for today because I need to finish washing the floors. So we're just gonna put this all back together. Yeah, I think this needs to be replaced, but that's okay. We're just putting it all back together. We're gonna go ahead and finish the floors, carry on with our day. I'll reorder filters, and here we have your container. It's all nice and ready to go, and back at it, cleaning the floors. I really love my Tineco. Cleaning it can be kind of a chore, but I think it's worth it, because when I don't have the time to take out a mop and bucket, this just helps me do like a really nice once over of the house, get any yogurt stains off the floor, anything that the kids drop. It picks up crumbs, it picks up liquid, it even can pick up like ketchup and honey and everything else. So love this machine. Don't love the process of cleaning it, but I guess that's just a small price to pay. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Happy to get back to you guys.